and welcome to another adult craft kit. This month's craft is a yarn bird. I am Trina with the Belleville Public Library and I work in the Information Services Department. Thank you for registering for this month's craft kit. Join me in making this sweet little yarn bird. Provided in your kit you will find one small square of orange felt, a 6-inch long black or gray pipe cleaner, and a set of colored googly eyes. Gather from home a glue gun, 3 different color yarn, a pair of scissors, a cotton ball stuffing or a scrunched up tissue. Take 2 of your colored yarn, one you would like for the head and back, and lay it down vertically. Take another bundle for the chest and face and place it horizontally so that the centers form a cross. Fold the vertical bundle over the horizontal bundle. Tie the folded bundle with its matching yarn in the middle where the 2 bundles meet. Gather the horizontal bundle upwards and tie it off with a matching yarn close to where the bundles meet. Place the remaining bundle horizontal so that the centers match. Place a small ball of stuffing or a cotton ball in the center over the top of the horizontal bundle. Fold the top vertical bundle over the bottom vertical bundle and adjust the stuffing if needed. Then fold in the remaining bundle so that it touches the other bundles and covers the stuffing, and tie it off. Take a piece of orange felt and fold one corner into a triangle for the bird's beak. Using a glue gun or white glue, add a dab of glue to the center of the beak. And press it together. Then add a line of glue to the straight edge and glue it to the center of the bird's face. Take the 2 googly eyes and add some glue and stick them on above the bird's beak. Take your pipe cleaner and fold it in half. Then push it through some of the yarn in the bottom middle of the bird. Bend the pipe cleaner to make the bird's feet. Bend the end down about 3/8 of an inch and then back up on itself. Repeat until you have 3 folds that can be separated to make the bird's feet. To create the bird's tail with your pair of scissors, trim the excess yarn until everything looks nice and even. And there we have the yarn bird. Thank you for joining me this month in making this adult craft. I hope next month that you can join us again for more fun. Thank you and take care.